welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to take you on my journey through my first Gua Sha. I recently ordered this stone off of Amazon. I saw a couple people doing it on Instagram and I'm just like, forget it. I want to try it out. So we're going to do that today. Never done this before in my life, so I really want to see if the results are immediate. I was watching a YouTube video and I'll have it linked down below, but she did one side of her face and it looked completely different, more lifted, just more refined. I'm pretty much a believer now, but we'll see. So if you're interested to see exactly how gua shaing goes for my very first experience, then go ahead and keep on watching. I want to put my hair back. All right, so gua sha. I've been doing a little research the last couple days. So gua means scraping and sha means redness of skin. But with this, I know that we're not supposed to scrape too hard and we're not supposed to get our skin super red. It's just supposed to be lighter and yeah, just supposed to be lighter. Why to even do it? It's supposed to get rid of inflammation, just really like get some of that extra puffiness out of our skin, get water circulating, blood circulating and everything like that. Like I said, I'm not an expert. Actually, I haven't said it yet. I'm not an expert. I'm just one of those people. I learn everything from YouTube and here I am. So the stone that I got, it came with this little paper and it basically tells us exactly how to use the stone, like to go up, where to push down. And this is the stone. So this stone's super affordable. I think it was $12. I'll have it linked down below. And this is actually rose quartz. I know that you can get jade stones and these can actually get really pricey. And so I thought for my first experience to just try it out, I'd go with something super simple and super affordable. So there's my little stone and it's super cute and it comes with this cute little case to keep it safe while we're not using it. The instructions say never to use this on dry skin. So I have my face oil. They recommend face oil or to do it in the shower with a cleanser. You can even use a moisturizer. I really want to use my face oil. This is a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil. It's one of my favorites. I mean, look, I'm already halfway through it. I couldn't recommend it enough, but honestly, use whatever you have on hand. So I'm just going to take a bunch of that and put that on my skin. I've been really trying to take care of my skin so much more these days. I've been doing a lot of masks, putting hyaluronic acid on at night, just really making sure that I'm taking care of my skin. I wonder if that's enough. I feel like I need more than that, right? You can totally see how you could go through oil really, really, really fast. Okay, my face is all oiled up and I'm going to start. Where's my paper? I need the instruction. Okay, so for the neck, wow, this feels good. You're supposed to do the motion about 8 to 10 times. It feels really, really good. I can't even remember the last time I've done anything like this, never. But this is supposed to help drain and circulate. And if your skin starts to get too red, it means you're pushing too hard. I might be pushing too hard. And to think, what's really cool about this is you're supposed to be doing it every single day. It's a lot like brushing your teeth. Brush your teeth every day, multiple times a day. So apparently you're supposed to be doing this every day. Next I want to concentrate on my cheekbone. There are some stones that like can fit perfectly like this. Oh, actually I feel like that would work. So I'm just going to do that. You can do short strokes, long strokes, but I'm just going to do that 8 or 10 times. Then, oh, you know what? I think I was supposed to use this flat right here. Right here, we're supposed to be moving this outward. Guys, it feels really good. I might be pushing a little too hard because my face is getting red. I imagine this just takes practice. Now for the forehead. We're supposed to be moving up my son, he doesn't want me in here doing this right now. Just need 5 more minutes. I got this in the mail today. I wasn't expecting it until like tomorrow, and I'm like, I have to. Then with the brows, I'm supposed to be moving it about like this to kind of lift. Guys, I'll tell you what, the side I've done feels so much better than this side. It actually, I feel like it looks lifted. Let's just take a close look. This side hasn't been done, this side has. I feel like this side really does look more lifted. My jaw, I feel like even looks more chiseled. But I don't know, do you think it's all in my head? I'm gonna hurry up and do this side and we're gonna see exactly the final results.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day.
It really does feel so good. And I walked away for a little bit after I did this side. And I could feel, I don't know, my face felt warmer, and I don't know if that's because the blood is circulating more. I don't know. I'm no expert. But this paper does say, it says this lifts eyebrows, reduces fine lines and dark circles, lifts and firms, softens smile lines and smooth wrinkles. That is my face all gua sha. That was a super cool experience. My face does feel better. When I was comparing, the other side was done, it did look more lifted, but I'm excited to go back, edit the footage, and see exactly what it looks like. But yeah, that was really, I'm going to continue doing this for the next 7 days, and I'm going to see exactly the difference that it makes. But yeah, tell me what you guys think of gua shaing, what you want to know. I guess I'm not really an expert, but there's just so much information, and I'll just have that all linked down below to what I've learned. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.